Welcome to Health and Fitness with Beatrice. I am so happy to be with you here today doing this together, getting lean and healthy and fit and good inside, okay? A really good set of a full body warm-up program. And these are great to do in the morning, in the afternoon, when you want to go out running, jogging or whatever, or just when you wake up in the morning. Let's start now. Breathe in and then breathe out. Let's start now. 7 times going down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Marvelous. And then you always stand shoulder width apart. Feet are the width of my shoulders. Now we're going to do the eyes. So the eyes are following the hand twice to begin with. 12 times now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. In the anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Great. And then neck now. So we go to the right and then to the left 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Great. And then back and then, so the head goes back and then down to the chin, okay? So breathe in and then breathe out when you go down, okay? Let's do 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Marvelous. Now arms, shoulders. Start a little bit softly like this, and then you do a wide circle back. 12 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Great. And then forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Great. Now, upper body. So we're just doing you engage all this, tummy in, bottom in, and then you stand shoulder width apart with your feet, and then you go to one side and then to the other, okay? 12 of these as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Great. Now, hip movement. So you rotate your hips to the right 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Other way, anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Marvelous. Now, a little squat with your knees. I always do 50 on this one, so let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, for this one, I'm going to bend down. Okay, let's do that now. You bend down, and then you go to the side. Okay, let's do 12 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Marvelous. Now back again. Now we're going to rotate our knees 12 times clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Great. Now stand and hold on to something. Hands out and then knee up. Opposite hand and leg, okay? And hold on something that is steady and not moving. And then we rotate clockwise 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Change foot. Now I've got right foot and left hand. Rotate clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Marvelous. Back again. Now we're going to flick it out. Plantar flexion. Now we're going to flick it out. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. These are great exercises for your ankles and for your wrist, and they really strengthen you and make you more. So when you are out walking, it's much easier to take the uneven surface. Okay? 12 here now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Marvelous. That was the first set of the stretch program. Second leg in the warm-up program. Okay? And there are 6 reps only on this one. You stand shoulder width with your feet again, and you lean back a little bit, and then I'm going to go and stretch over the head. Yes, follow with me. 6 reps on each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down between your legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Windmill. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Between your legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slowly up and then to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Behind your back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Marvelous. You can do this 1 to 3 times or even 6 times. Let's repeat the same circle. And now the third leg in the warm-up program. You start with high knees, so hands up, shin height, and then elbow go to the opposite knee. Okay, we're going to do 12 of these on each leg. Let's start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So you are using your glutes, your bottom, and you're pressing up your legs, and you're squeezing in your tummy when you're doing it at the same time. And you're twisting your body. So it's a whole body workout in one really move. It's absolutely amazing. Now, forward and then up. You open up the chest with this one and the shoulders, okay? And then obviously you're stretching over, so you're using your back shoulders and your upper back when you're doing this one. Let's start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Marvelous. Next one. So we're going to lunges now. So we put one foot forward, and the foot is over the ankle. All knee. Now lunges. Push one forward, foot forward. Knees are pointing forward. The knee is over your front ankle. and then we twist over, and then we push back. Okay, 12 on each leg. Let's start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Next leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to stop here for 2 seconds. Okay? Here. Sorry. 6. So, hip are horizontal to the ground, knees over the ankle, all pointing forward, and you try to have your chest as high up as possible when you are doing this. Okay? And then you twist over. So you feel it twist on your side and in your hip. The back leg is straight while you're doing this, okay? This is stretch on the hamstring on the back, okay? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Marvelous. Now, squat down and then throw it to the side. So squat down and then you throw something out from the side. 1, 12 as well. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, come on, I know it's a bit hard, 10, squat down, 11, last one, come on, oh, last one, perfect. We're going to take up the legs and then lean out over 12 on each leg, come on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Great. Now, hold on to something, and then up with your leg, and then rotate round 90 degrees. Let's do 12 of these on each leg. 1, 2, breathe slowly. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Marvelous. Now, raise your leg and then push it back. Up. 12 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Marvelous. That looks so simple. It works the bottom as well as lubricating the joints, hip joints, okay? 1, 2, 3, 1, move left. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Marvelous. IT band. Let's do that now. 12. 1, high up, and then to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Marvelous. Now, other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. How about that? You have now done all the 3. If you had done them all in one.